Hey, what's up? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Acer Iconia Tab A500. This is running Android Honeycomb. It's got Dolby Mobile, NVIDIA Tegra 2. This is the 32GB Wi-Fi version. I don't think there's a cellular version yet. So let's just go ahead and get this unboxed. So we got this from Costco. They like to package in a lot of extra stuff, so let's see if they did that with this one. And it looks like they did. Usually this case will retail about $35 on somewhere like Amazon, and I just got it for free. So let's look at the actual tablet itself. So as you can see, wide viewing angle, even though the screen is an IPS. Dolby Mobile, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It has a GPS chip in there. 5.0 megapixel camera, and it has a mini or micro HDMI out and a micro SD card slot. Alright, so looks like they packaged it upside down. So here's the front-facing camera. It's 2 megapixels. On the side here, we've got the power button, headphone jack, the HDMI port. On the right side, there's a USB host slot, micro USB for transferring files onto the device, a reset button, and the power cable jack. On the bottom, there seems to be a dock port for, I guess, a dock. The dock, however, doesn't do anything but charge the tablet, so it's kind of a pointless dock. Alright, on the top, there's a slot up here for a micro SD, and this actually covers a port where the SIM card would go if it were a 3G version, which they haven't released yet. If you were to take this out, actually, there wouldn't be anything in there. If you put a SIM in, it would just rattle around in here. This is a orientation lock switch. That's the off position. That's the on position. And this is a volume rocker. On the back, there's the Acer logo, the speakers, and a 5 megapixel camera with flash. So, turning this on now. And apparently there's a vibration motor. I think this will need some setting up, so we'll be right back. So, while this is setting itself up, getting itself accustomed to the Wi-Fi and all that, this is what's in the rest of the box. So here we've got the first start information. It tells you, how you can plug in a keyboard and all that. Came with a microfiber cloth. Let's see. Micro USB cable. Power cable. Looks like a proprietary cylinder jack. Looks like Costco gave us an HDMI cable. That's pretty sweet. And this is the other half of the charging cable adapter. And on this side, looks like this has already been opened. The quick guide, 2 safety information booklets, a warranty guide, and an international traveler's warranty. Alright, so we put it in its case. It works pretty well. It has a built-in stand. So we went ahead and set it up, downloaded some apps on there, quite a few apps actually. So all you do to unlock it is drag it to one of the sides, and there you go. So quite a few widgets, there's a clock and all that. You can get my location, you can get CNN, mail, Google Voice. Google Voice isn't officially supported for tablets yet. If you hold your finger on the lock screen, you can get all the widgets and app shortcuts, wallpapers. So if you want to look around your apps, you just click up here to apps. Let's just do like a quick 3D gaming demo. If you look here, it comes with a game called Hero of Sparta. As you can see, the graphics are pretty good on this Tegra 2 chipset. Very quick, responsive. The graphics are almost on par with what you would see at a console. One more demo. This is Google Map. Alright, so this is the navigation app. It's like a GPS. I'm using the Swipe beta, so let's just say we want to go to like Hiroshima, Japan. It'll give you directions from where you are currently. It might take a while. So, as you can see, it'll tell you it's 8,036 miles. It'll take 35 days and 8 hours driving. If you tell it to follow the route, then you can see all the steps you have to go through. And then you can see now it's in Japan. What it'll tell you, I mean, it has, you know, voice and all that, so it'll speak, tell you where to go. All in all, from my short experience with this tablet, it's very good, very effective as a honeycomb tablet. I do wish I could see more tablet apps in the Android market, but hopefully that'll change since honeycomb tablets are fairly new. So thanks for watching, and see you at our next unboxing.